Hello everyone, this is my very first review of Mixtiles. Just received this in the mail today. Been waiting for it for a bit of time, and inside of this is pictures I've actually taken myself, and kind of looking forward to seeing that in some frames. But the wall behind me is where these are going to go, or that's what my intention is for. So without further ado, let's see what Mixtiles all about and see how they look. And I'll give you my honest opinion of what I think about them. So let's see, we'll just start. There's just regular tape there. Wow, they look pretty nice. Well, not too bad. Picture of some airplanes that I took at an air show. They're very light, but quality looks really nice. Very impressed with it. The frame looks good. Like I said, it's not very heavy. It's got a peel here on the back. So, but that's what that one looks like. And this is a picture I had taken in Hawaii. That looks pretty on there. Another plane. And I went to a balloon festival and took this. I must say that the quality of the picture itself on the paper and the stock looks really nice. Another airplane, and you can tell I'm a fan of planes. And here's another plane. This one really turned out pretty good. But frames again, I'm impressed with it. I think they'll look good on the wall. Starting to think I wish I would have gotten them a little bit bigger, but this was in Venice. I took that. Here's a picture I took in Rome at the Colosseum. Well, that turned out pretty good too. That's Haleakala up on above the clouds in Hawaii. And here's another one. I took this one with a low-end camera and it turned out pretty good. There's a sunset in Hawaii. There's a boat picture, Grand Caymans. As you can tell, these are travel pictures that I had taken, and I had some awards on the back, on this back wall, and they were getting pretty old, and I just wanted something to spruce things up. Here's the Pitons out in St. Lucia. Again, another travel picture. And here's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Again, I'm looking forward to seeing how they'll look on the wall. So the next video, I will show you what the finished product, or the continuation of this video, I'll show you what it looks like on the wall. But again, the quality of the picture itself, I mean the paper, the stock is pretty good. The frame, I like it. I mean, it's not the most high end, but for something on the wall, like in an office area, it looks really good. This looks like a magnet. We'll see how that works out. But again, like I said, in the continuation of this video, I will have them on the wall and everything. But right now, I kind of like what they are. Wasn't very expensive. I think I got 16 of these for $130, something like that. Do I think I got my money's worth out of it? I do. I really like how the pictures look. I'm a little partial, obviously, but as far as the quality, hey, thumbs up to me. So I'm looking forward to putting these up. So at the end of this video, I will show you what it looks like and tell you if I had any problems with putting them on the wall and all that stuff. But until then, we'll check you on the other side. Okay, I'm back, everybody. And this is how they look on the wall. I think they look pretty good. I think I wish I had 2 more of these travel instead of the planes. So I may end up getting 2 more, maybe some bigger frames. But all in all, I really like how they turned out. I think I did okay laying them out and everything. Somebody else may say, oh, why didn't you do this or that? If you have a solution or a suggestion, I'd be more than happy to consider it, because I'm not the best when it comes to stuff like this. I take pretty decent pictures, but as far as displaying them and stuff like that, I'm probably not the best. But anyway, I only used 8 out of the 16, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the other ones. They still look great, but they just don't go with this particular set of pictures. I don't think the airplanes wouldn't go too well. So I don't know where I'm going to put them. There's another wall behind the camera that's kind of barren. May put some over there, but I think I'd like to have maybe 1 or 2 bigger pictures. But would I buy from Mixtiles again? Most certainly I would. I think they're a good quality for what you pay. Again, $130 for 16 pictures in frames that, you know, they look pretty good. I mean, they just look pretty good. I didn't have any problems putting them up. Only thing I would suggest doing is when you take this peel thing off, don't just rip it like that, because if you do, you'll take the little magnetic thing off too. No big deal. I mean, they just come back. You just have to put it back on and stick it on there. But I had no problems putting them up. Only problems I had was making sure of the spacing. Tomorrow I'm probably going to get a level and just make sure they're all level. But as far as putting them up on the wall, no big deal at all. I think anyone could probably do it. The sticky stuff on it was pretty strong, it seemed like. So it mentions that you can take them off about half a dozen times, a dozen times or more. So I'm not planning on doing that. But if I want to get tired of one of these pictures, all I got to do is just push up and just take it off. I'll just take the magnetic thing off of this one and just plop it up there and just interchange them. I think that's a very unique thing that you can do with these things. Is I can just store these away, and then when I get tired of looking at these, I can just take them down, put them in a storage box, and put the new ones up. So anyway, my opinion is it's a great purchase for me. I'm happy with it. And if you like this video and this review, please consider subscribing, because I've got other things that I purchased with my own money that I will be giving candid reviews on. So again, if you like this, please consider subscribing. If you like this, give me a thumbs up on that. I'd be happy to hear any comments in regards to layout, or if you have any questions about what I may not have covered, or you have a question about something like that. But anyway, hope you have a great day, and until the next video, see you then.